Hello everyone, welcome back from my channel. Today we are going to do the exercises from Cambridge Primary Science Workbook 4. 3.4 Chemical Reactions. Focus. Question number 1. Look at the pictures and say if a chemical reaction has taken place or not. Circle the correct answer under each picture. So the picture is showing that combining of egg, milk, sugar, and flour became to cake. So this is chemical reaction. The picture is showing that solid chocolate melts into the liquid chocolate. So this is no chemical reaction. The picture C showing that combining of sand, limestone, soda ash became to glass bottle. So this is chemical reaction. Picture D showing that nail become rusty nail. So this is chemical reaction. The picture E showing that combining of sand and water became to the sand bottle. So this is no chemical reaction. Practice. Question number 2. Decide which of the sentences about chemical reactions are true and which are false. Tick the boxes to show the true sentences. Question A. Chemical reactions make new substances form. True. Question B. When butter melts, it is a chemical reaction. False. Question C. We cannot undo a chemical reaction. True. Question D. Making concrete is a chemical reaction. True. Question E. We need heat for chemical reactions to happen. False. Question F. A chemical reaction can happen with only one substance. False. Question number 3. Sarah mixed baking powder with vinegar. The mixture started to bubble and fizz. Question A. Did a chemical reaction take place? Yes. Question B. How do you know this? A new substance formed. Challenge. Question number 4. Class 4 did an investigation on resting. This is a drawing of their experiment. After 2 days, they found that the nail in test tube A was rusted. The nails in the test tubes B and C did not rust. There was very little rust on the nail in test tube D. Question A. What reacts with metal to form rust? Water and air. Question B. Suggest reasons for the results in test tubes A, C, and D. There was water and air in tube A. There was no water in tube C. There was no air in tube D. To rust, the iron must be in contact with water and air. Question C. Iron and steel are both metals. Why do you think the steel nail did not rust? Suggest a question you could investigate. Steel does not rust like iron. Do all metals rust? Question D. To make your test fair, which factors will you keep the same? Factors can include the shape and size of the test tubes and the amount of water in each test tube. Question E. Which factor will you change? The type of metal the nails or other objects are made from.